Welcome to Techietalkee. Hello friends. In this video, I'll be explaining about the file handling in Python. So first of all, let us first understand what is the purpose of handling a file. In our local PC or laptop, we'll have various folders or files, and the files can be a Word document, PowerPoint, picture file, and whatnot. We'll open the file, write some data into it, view the file, and then we'll close it. Say, for example, we are creating a web application. So, while accessing that application real time for authentication purpose, we'll need a user ID and password. This kind of authentication details can be stored in a file. Python can open the file, fetch the data, and then use it. And another usage is on the logging functionality. Whatever activity is done in the web application can be made to be stored in a file which is called logging. And for that purpose, we need to open the file, enter the activity details into it, and then close it. This logging is really important for debugging purpose in case of any issues. We might actually see a wide range of users with files, and I'll be explaining you on how to handle the files in Python. If you look here, the project that I have created is hello, and this project is present in the location which is C users admin PyCharm projects. Now I'm going to create a file in this project. In general, the purpose of the file will be based on business requirements. But for this video, I'll be creating a sample file named test file. To create a file, I'll have to use the open method. So inside the open method, I'm going to give the file name followed by X. So this second parameter is going to define the mode of the file handling. Since I've given X, it is going to create a new file. So when I execute the statement, I can observe that a new empty file named test file got created under my project. By mistake, if I call the same statement in another part of my code, then it is going to throw me an exception which is file error exists. So we'll have to make sure the same file name is not used elsewhere in our code. Now I would want to write the contents into this file. How do I do this? We can open the same file by giving either A or W as the second parameter. So to write the contents into this file, I can call the write method and then I can write the contents. So in this case, I'm going to write happy learning. Once I execute the statement, happy learning would have got written into this test file. Let's go and check if it has got written or not. Yes. So here we can see that the test file contains happy learning. Now I want to print the values present in the file in the output window. So I have to give a print statement here, and for this I'll have to open the file in the read mode by passing R as the second parameter, and then I'll call s1.read. So once I execute the statement, I can see that the file content, which is happy learning, got printed in my output window. Now I want to write some more contents into it. Do I want to erase the contents and write some fresh data into it? Or do I want to keep adding data into the existing file? So if I want to overwrite the existing data, I'll have to open the file in write mode and write data into it. Otherwise, if I want to append text to the existing data, then I'll have to open the file in append mode by passing A as the second parameter. So first I'm going to overwrite the data. So I'm going to open the test file in the W mode, which is in the writing mode, which is going to erase the existing data, which is happy learning, and it is going to write Techietalkee there in the test file. Now if I execute this code, I can see that the test file is going to contain Techietalkee. I now want to append happy learning to the existing text. So I will open the file in the append mode by passing A as the second parameter, and then I'm going to write happy learning. Once I execute this code, I can see that this test file is going to contain both Techietalkee and happy learning. Now when I print the text, I can see both Techietalkee and happy learning. One thing that I noticed is that the text got appended on the same line. Now, if I want to add text into a new line, then I'll have to insert the text along with the new line character. So I'll open the file in append mode and I'm going to write happy learning along with the new line character. Once I execute this code, I can see that happy learning got appended as a new line in the existing file. The same gets printed in my output window as well. Say I don't want to print the entire text in the file. Rather, I want to print only the first line. So in that case, I can call the read line method. This read line is going to print only the first line in that text document. So if I want to print the second line as well, I can give another read line. So that is going to print both the lines. Apart from printing the entire line, I can also print a specific number of characters from that file by passing a value in the read line. Say for example, if I'm going to pass a value of 5, then in the first line, only the first 5 characters got printed and the remaining characters got printed as a new line by using the next read line statement. Once we are done accessing the Python file, the file has to be closed. So that is when I can call the close method to close the file. Hey guys, hope you now understood how to create files, write data into it or append data, and then read the file and close the file. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries, you can reach out to me at techietalkee@gmail.com. Happy learning and have a great day.